Good morning. Today I'd like to discuss with you reason number 3 to consider moving your business to the cloud, physically safeguarding the equipment and the data that it houses. Let me tell you a story. A couple of months ago, Eric with GenCom and I went to go visit a doctor who was considering moving to the private virtual office. He started grilling us on our security. We explained to him that we're housed in a very limited access building. You must have a key card to enter, and the key card has to be checked out from the infrastructure coordinator. You then need a physical key to actually unlock the cage. That too must be checked out from the infrastructure coordinator. To check it out, you have to have a service ticket or a work order generated by some other party. When you're inside the cage, we actually monitor the employee to ensure they're doing exactly what the work order requires. The facility has an inert gas-based fire suppression system so that in the event of a fire event, there is no water getting on any of the equipment. As a matter of fact, computers work better in a non-water environment. It's just funny that way. We also have two 750 kilovolts generators running in the event of a power outage. The building is backed up by 8 hours of uninterruptible batteries so that they can run until the generators kick on full time. We then turn around and look under the receptionist counter and smile. Underneath the receptionist counter was his server. On the server was the administrative login and password because the server kept shutting down every few days and they were tired of calling out the tech to come in and reboot the system. And so we smiled and asked, how does our security compare to that? Physically safeguarding the equipment is an important step in ensuring that data is not misappropriated or misused. The last thing you want is your server to be able to be stolen that easily. What can you do? If you insist on trying to host your own data, make sure the server is locked up in a room that no one has the key to except for perhaps you and your trusted tech person. Try to have it run on its own power line so it isn't part of the main office's power grid. While we understand you probably cannot run an HVAC system for its own cooling, if you can, try to make sure you can set the temperature of that room a little cooler. All of these go a long way to protect the equipment and the data that resides on it. After all, it isn't your data in a lot of cases. It's your client's data that really needs to be protected. Thank you very much. I hope you have a great day. Tonight is BIA's monthly dinner. Looking forward to that. Talk to you soon.